Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ember, and in today's video I will be giving you the full detailed guide on how to make money on Ember Fund app. I'll be explaining for you how to use the tournament section, the game section, and the prediction section. So if you know this is the first time of you coming to my YouTube channel to watch my video, don't forget to click on the notification bell and the subscribe button, so when I upload another informative video like this one, you won't miss it. So without no further ado, let's get into the video. Now, to register on the Ember Funds app is actually very simple. All you have to do is submit your email and your password. After that, a code will be sent to your email box, which you have to put in the 6-digit code and input a password that you'll be using to log in. After that, you'll be redirected to this page. Now, when you are redirected to this page, the next thing you have to do is to go over to the setting area and put your access code here. Now this access code is your referral code, and if you put it here, which I'll be leaving mine in the description of this video, if you put it here, your power of mining on Ember Fund will increase to 2. So now let me explain the interface for you first before we proceed. Now if you come over to this side, we'll see that there is a countdown here. There's a number that is counting. There is actually Satoshi that is counting right there. So the other crap thing you see is the streak. I've been on the app for 46 days. This is another one I'm using for the purpose of this video. I've been on the app for 46 days, as you can see here. Then you can see pin friends. That is, I'm reminding my friends that they are supposed to come and be mining with me. Now look at the friends I have currently. This is the only one that's online. All this one are inactive. If they are active, let me just say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. If all are active, then you will see my Satoshi right here will be meaning 8 Satoshi per hour, but it's because only one and me is online. That is why it's meaning 2 Satoshi per hour. So guys, that is why it's meaning. So to mean more, if you want your amount to increase, if you want your coin to mean very fast on Ember Funds app, you have to invite friends. But that's not the only way to make money on Ember Funds app. Now I will explain how to use the tournament section so you understand it very well. Now let's click on the tournament section. You'll find out here that they have weekly free for all. Now we have free for all active. Let's go ahead and click on that one. So what you're basically doing here is to predict a Bitcoin price, if it will go up or down. So let's click on enter tournament, and here you will see that there is Bitcoin, there's Ethereum, there's Solana, there's Dogecoin, Thrones. So I will be picking any 3 coin I think will rise in the next 12 hours or 5 hours. So let me go ahead and pick. There's some I usually like to pick, like this energy web. I pick this one, then I'll come again, I'll pick this basic attention token, then I'll come again and click this whole network. So I actually think that this one I am clicking will actually rise in the next 5 to 12 hours. So I'll click on next. So after I click on the next, if I'm not using the premium app, which I don't recommend you using, there will be an advert that will show. So let me click on it and it will show. So I just want to let you that advert to show. So let me click on next. So I'll click on next, it will load. After loading, and guys, if you are using this, make sure you turn off your VPN. If not, it won't work.
Single man. There is a social.
So guys, that's it. After it's finished playing and you enter into this trade, the amount you are paying for this trade you're entering, because you can actually win a lot of money. Like if you go to this leaderboard, you see view price. Now you see that in the first prize, the person that will win the first prize will receive, there's a total of 10,000 Satoshi, 10,000 total player. The first person will receive 2,888 sat. Second person 2,200 sat. That's how it is to the 105th position. So it's very difficult for you to lose in here, but the thing is that most people don't do it. They say sounds good. Yes, right, it sounds good. So let's go over to this same next place. Now this one is like you said, let's click on this Mimi face off Peppy versus Floki. Let's click on that. Make sure you watch this video so you don't find it difficult to play your game. Now let's click on here and you'll see Peppy versus Floki Inu. Now I'll actually click on this Peppy coin because I think it will rise in the next 5 hours. So I'll click on it and wait for the advert to play. I will get back to the video as soon as it's done.
Attention
Guys, it's done. Let me click on this cancel sign here and it will load, and you're seeing here, that's it for this one. Let's click out of here, and they're actually 3 or 4. They're actually more than 3 or 4, but I've done 2. Let me do another one to show you all how I do it again. Let me click on enter tournament. Then let me say I'm clicking on Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin will rise in the evening period. Then Ethereum 2 and another one, let me say Bitcoin Cash. Then I'll click on next. After I click on next, the advert will show. If you're using premium, it won't show, but if you're using free mode, it will show. I don't recommend you using premium because there's too much feature. We are here to make money and not to spend. So guys, let's click on the next and wait. I'll come back to the video after the ad finish playing. Let's go. Okay, as you're seeing here right now, we are done with that and we come to this place. But some people might still be asking that, oh, this will be enough stress for me. But if you think you won't be able to know, if you're just a newbie in the crypto space and you don't know, you won't be able to be getting the correct prediction, you can click on my link on my Telegram, or my WhatsApp group. There I'll be sharing which coin you will suggest to rise. So make sure you click on that link and go and register on my Telegram or my WhatsApp group. Now the next section is this game section. So guys, what is here is that if you go to this game section, you see games. So you find out that you can actually play games on Ember Funds app. You can use an Ember Funds to play games. Now you have different type of games. If you click on this one now, you have to download the app, and per level you'll be having 2 sats, and the total sats you're supposed to have from this game is 50 sats. Now here you see we have 5 max. That is, if you finish all the levels, which is not that much, you get this 40 sats. And there are actually more games. This is actually the one I've been playing. There are actually more games. If you load, if you click on start playing, you see actually more games right here. So the more you play, this is actually not hard to answer, hard to explain. If you see all this game, the more you download and start playing, you'll be receiving your crypto here. So guys, that is it for this game section. Now the next one is this crash, which is kind of like a gambling. I don't advise you playing, but if you feel you are smart enough to play, it's free for you to try. So now you actually bet with your sats coin. Now you are seeing that people are betting right here. I'm sure many of you know this game. So the more your rocket goes up, the more your balance, the money you use to, as you can see, it just crashed and many people lost and many gained. People that removed their money early made it. So guys, that is it for this one. If you want to know more about this one, I will do a separate video for that, so I don't recommend you doing that one. The next one is spinner. This one is actually more safe than the other one, but I advise you, these people are wise. They want to take all your money, so don't do it. And here what you have to do is you actually select the price you want to use. Let me say 20. Then you spin. If it lands on this, anyone it land, if you land on legendary, you get 80 sats. On epic you have 60 sats. On super rare you have 40 sats. On rare you have 33, and so on. The more you increase the amount you want to spin with, the more coin you get. If it's 1,000, you are seeing you're having 20,000 sats. Possible. Do you know how much is that in dollar that you're getting with just one spin? If it's possible, you got it right. So guys, that is for this one. I don't recommend you playing because it's like a gambling. So the next one here is dice. This is just actually a new one that just introduced. So what is here is that you actually increase. This is actually the profit level that you can increase, but the chances of you winning is very high. Let me just say here is very high. Then I'll click on bet. I can increase the coin too to see the potential payouts right here. I can reduce it. So if I bet with this 10 sats, it will give me a bonus of, let me say, 11 sats. You can see right here. If I'm successful, I don't know, let me risk it for you guys. Let me click on bet. So actually bet, and I got 11 sats. You can see I won it. I don't recommend you trying because I won, but let's go. That is how this one works. So next we are going for prediction. Now this prediction section is actually, we are predicting if like a fight, like a club that is fighting. Let me see, like this one here, we have UFC or football match, the people that will win. Like this one, they say Chelsea versus Manchester City. The match hasn't come yet, like, but let me just see this free one. Don't do the one that is not free, but the one that is not free, if you can pay the money you say they say you should pay, you have a chance of winning very much. Now you can choose on any club that is here, right here, any club that you like, that you think will win, and you can choose it. Check for the one that is free. If it's not free, please don't do, so that you will not waste your money. You manage to win. So this is actually the feature. This is soccer, this is MMA. So guys, that's it for the prediction section. Now if you click over here, this section, you can see here I have $4.64. That's because I've withdrawn the one I did before from my other account. This account is the one I'm using to just illustrate for you guys right here. So guys, if you come over to this section, you can see your total sats here, and you can see your token. Now I'll let you know what you are seeing. Buy token, you are seeing deposit fund, you are seeing buy token. Now this token here, this token section is actually if you want to boost your earning, if you want it to triple, to boost your earning. You can see this 2 million coin, you can buy it for $1.99. then you can use it to boost your meaning for 3 days or 2 days or 7 days, based on how you want it to be. So guys, I've not done this in this particular one, but I have done it in the other one before. So that is just it for this one. The more you engage with the app, the more you get familiarized and know how to navigate through the space. There's not much seen in this setting section, but I recommend you to set your recovery password and to set up 2-step verification. Make sure you know your password. If you come to this currency section, you'll see that you can actually change your currency. Let me change it to Nigeria currency and click on save. When I go back here, and I will notice that my currency is now in Nigeria currency, which is 7,372 naira. That is it for how many dollars? $4 something. You see, that is why I'm telling people that this is actually real, that you can actually be making money online from the comfort of your home. This is not fake. You can actually withdraw it, and I will show you guys how to withdraw it in the next video I upload. I'm actually keeping this particular one for Christmas, so make sure you start doing your own today, so you know how much the joy it brings to get this fund online. Let me change it back because I don't like seeing Nigeria currency. Let me change it back to US dollar. Okay guys, that's it for today. If you have any other question on how to use this app, don't forget to drop it down in the comment section. To support my channel, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Thanks for coming. Don't forget to click on the link on the description of this video to enter my WhatsApp and my Telegram channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.